Love and the brain are intricately connected. Love is a complex emotion that involves a variety of brain functions and chemical reactions. When we fall in love, the brain releases several hormones, including dopamine, oxytocin, and adrenaline. These hormones create a sense of pleasure, euphoria, and excitement that we associate with being in love. Different parts of the brain also play a role in romantic love. The amygdala, for example, is responsible for processing emotions and is activated when we feel attraction or desire for someone. The ventral tegmental area, VTA, is another part of the brain that plays a significant role in romantic love, as it releases dopamine and creates feelings of pleasure and reward. Interestingly, studies have shown that being in love can also lead to changes in the brain. For example, MRI scans have revealed that when people fall in love, the brain's reward center, the ventral tegmental area, VTA, becomes more active, and the prefrontal cortex, PFC, responsible for decision-making, becomes less active. Overall, love and the brain are tightly intertwined, and understanding how the brain functions when we experience love can shed light on why we feel the way we do when we're in love. Thank you for watching. Please click like and subscribe.